All right, let me get the wheel turned. Power steering. Takes all the power you got to steer. Okay, backwards. Okay. I hope this works. Okay, action, take two. Keep going, keep going. You wonder why the steering wheels were 3 foot in diameter in the 60s. This is why. Onward. Okay. Tally ho! Oh, we could roll down the window. Get some 255 AC going. Yeah. We're still moving. Dun, 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 dun. Highway speed. Anything good in action? Screws, bolts, drill bits. Radio delete plate. Guess you didn't need to jam to tunes when the fire was going on. PTO lock. Unlock, remove. Boing. Come on, let's go. Avante, avante. Arriba, arriba. Handale, handale. Handale, handale. Arriba. Arriba. Well, that was close enough. We'll see if we can get it inside. Yeah, we're in. We're coming in. Are we in the door? Okay. That's good. I'll stop. Beep. Oh, get the door. We made it. Nobody was killed. All right. Today, I'm going to introduce everybody in YouTube world to Project Big Red. When I first saw Big Red, it was sitting on the back of a Kenworth rollback. And soon as I saw it, I had envisioned exactly what it was going to be. I envisioned this nice hot rod hauler, and as soon as Wolf's Speed Shop found out about this project, it wasn't even off the Kenworth. When he saw a picture of it, it was still sitting on the same Kenworth that I saw it on. He decided he had to buy it. So the wife wasn't happy till she found out it was going to BJ. And then she was okay with me getting rid of it. But we're going to make a rat rod hauler out of this thing. Now, I don't know if you can guess by the lights up on top and the gold leaf that's kind of fading. This was an ex-fire truck. Now, somebody painted primer over it. I'm hoping that we can sand this primer a little bit, maybe wet sand it, and get some of the gold leaf lettering to show through, because that would be absolutely awesome. Just wouldn't even have to get the whole name to come through, just get some of that gold leaf lettering to come through. It would be awesome. But the power plant in here, yeah, it's 409, is not what's going to stay in it. The plan is front axle, gone, out of here. Rear axle, gone, out of here. Cab and frame, down to the ground. If y'all have been watching Wolf Speed Shop, and if not, you need to go subscribe to his channel and watch his videos. But his garage isn't that big. So the plan to get this in the door is we're taking the bed off. If anybody wants a huge dump bed and PTO, write in the comments, because that needs to find a new home. And if you actually want the axles, leave a comment, because they need to find a new home too. We're going to take my wheels that were on the rotisserie. You see the Corvette Sun rotisserie we got going on out there is missing 2 wheels. It's kind of got the Carolina squat going on. We're going to put those 2 wheels. We're taking the whole front axle out. Going to weld these 2 jewels temporarily to the front frame to get it up on a car trailer. Now we're taking the motor, transmission, everything. Everything's getting stripped. The only thing we're keeping is cab, front clip, and the frame. And the interior on this thing is pretty mint. For a truck that only has 32,000 miles on it, this thing is epic. I mean, for a 65, you know, they don't get much cleaner. You know, the rockers are just now starting to show any rust in them. So, but for a rat rod, that'll be great. But I mean, as far as inside, wow, that thing's amazing. Now, if you've ever had to mount one of these tires, years and years ago, when I worked at a truck shop, we had to mount tires with these. They were awful. You would spin the tire, tighten them one by one, and an old guy taught me a trick of laying a hammer here, and then you would spin the wheel, and if the tire moved in or out, you had to adjust these according to which one was in or out until you got the wheel. It wasn't a hub centering wheel. The wheel could actually go on crooked and then go down the road going like this. So yeah, it's a good thing they went away from that design. It was a terrible design. So y'all go to Wolf Speed Shop and subscribe to his channel, and you will see the rest of this build. We're going to tear it all apart here, and when it gets to his house, you're going to see a massive engine go right there behind the cab, so it's exposed, everything, and then to the rear end, which it won't be that rear end. It'll be a rear end there. But yeah, there you go. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you haven't subscribed to Wolf Speed Shop, please do go do that. And as always, thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.